And the race is on. Number 3 pass to begin. This one is Windy Hour. Windy Hour rushing out the outside is Lambing Pinay. Who else in the middle? The spell number 6 positive side. John Alvin Guse. 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Who else in the middle? Lambing Pinay from the outside. Windy Hour is down on the inside. Jacqueline's Diamond is racing in fourth. Entering the far turn, Lambing Pinay by 3/4 of a length. Who else is running by the row? And rounding the far turn, Lambing Pinay by a length and a half. Who else running by the row? Racing on the outside is Windy Hour. Jacqueline's Diamond is racing for by about 2 lengths as they race the final corner. Lambing Pinay by about 2 lengths, followed by Windy Hour in the middle. Who else down on the inside? Lambing Pinay, Windy Hour is running by the row. It's still Lambing Pinay, Windy Hour down on the inside. Who else in third? Windy Hour, number 3 by the row, Lambing Pinay. And finally, number 3, Windy Hour. Lambing Pinay, who else? Number 2, Mama Zone. And Jacqueline's Diamond.
37524 ating unofficial order of arrival.
Ganda yun